Hello again, it's Jackie and I'm back to show you these Traveller's Notebook inserts. I've used batik fabric for the covers, over cards, stitched, and that's all glued. I have dressed these up a little bit, but I haven't done any eyelets with ties because you may want to put these into your Traveller's Notebooks. I don't know. I do have a Traveller's Notebook, but I don't really use it at the moment. This is also my Artmaze design team project for August, and I've used the Dragonfly Dreams kit. So it's the same kit which can be used, I mean it all goes beautifully together, but it also can be separated as I've done, and I've used slightly different colour schemes just to showcase, the versatility really of Andrea's kits. The fluff on the back is literally just a ball pin pinned through the cover, so that can really easily be removed. I've dressed them both up with some silk chiffon ribbon, some lace and a boho bead. So on this one, there's also a little dragonfly charm on this one, and that's the bead on there. So let's quickly go, they're quite similar. I've just, as I said, just tied them with lace. We're getting caught up. So they've all got a pocket on the inside cover. I've used fabric on the inside as well, a plain, well, it's slightly mottled cream fabric, and I've used some pages. This is the Traveller's Notebook kit. I think it comes in standard size as well. The pages I've stitched and backed with coffee dyed paper, so they feel really nice. There's a Tracy Fox hanging tag in each one using a little bit of the kit paper cut down, and we've got some little charms there. I've put some of the ephemera from the kit that I haven't used onto the back of the paper clips, and I've also done Tracy Fox's, although I think she got it from somebody else. I've just bent the paper clips to make them look a little bit prettier. I've used vintage ledger papers, and all the paper is tea dyed, actually not coffee dyed. This is from a book with tuck spot and a journal card made from the kit pages. It's another book page, a page out of a vintage gardening book. This is a decoupaged, collage tag and one of the pockets from the kit. I've used a doily, and this is die cut from the kit. I think these have got 16, so that would be 32 pages, about 64 sides front and back. I've used little dragonfly punches in the middle and an Edith Holden page. That one flips out. This is a little hanging floating pocket made from the paper, and another little dragonfly, bird and dragonfly on there. This is one of the lace tags that was in my last journal, and that's in one of the pockets. It's another page. As I say, they're backed onto the paper. Vintage book page. There's another tuck spot with a tag, or journal card I suppose I should say. They've each got an envelope that I've made. It comes with the kit, that's empty, and there's another charm on there, and another book page from the kit, so that's that one. Hopefully I've got time to show you the other one. So this one hasn't got a dangly charm, but it has got a pretty boho bead on the side there, and I've picked up the pinks and greens more in this book. There's also some charms on the side. There's the lace closure. Forgot to say these will also go into the Etsy shop. This one's got a side pocket. Pages, 3 of the book pages from the Traveller's Notebook Dragonfly Dreams collection, backed onto coffee dyed paper. It's very similar very, very similar to the other book, but little differences here and there. So this is from the kit, as is this little bit of paper here, and the pocket, and I've just dressed up this pocket with a tiny little fabric collage. This is the floating pocket. I think that's made from, can't remember the book page, but it's a naturey one. Some more of the tickets from the kit. Pretty tea dyeing. This is one of the pages. Oh, a bit of glue stuck there for some reason. Oh, I see, that's just popped off. I'll re-glue that, sorry about that. And that's a journal card made with the kit. Tracy Fox hanging tag, some flags. This time I've used little tag shapes on the Edith Holden page. These are, I don't think I said on the top one, these are tuck spots, so you could just slot something in there. I haven't got anything to hand, I don't think. But yeah, that will just hold ephemera, if that's what you want to use this for. Another corner spot, and this time I've decorated a glassine bag. I made a little card, little ATC card really, in there. The side of the paper, so pretty. My vintage flower book. This is another collage tag with a little bit of cheesecloth and some of that gorgeous chiffon ribbon, so that just slots in there. This is the envelope from Dragonfly Dreams, bit of bling on the side, and we finish off with the back of that first page. So thank you so much for watching. As I say, these will also be in the Etsy shop, and I'll speak to you all again soon.